to make something that's going wrong right. Better call Behnken.
A 94-year-old woman needs to cash in an insurance policy to help pay for some medical bills.
Now, that policy was purchased way back in 1934 by her mother. But when Eleanor Fetkin's family called about that policy, they were told it does not exist anymore. And that's when they knew they'd better call Behnken. Shannon here now with the update on this story. Actually, it's not an update. This is a new one.
Yeah, this is a new one. It's just beginning. There will be an update, hopefully, though. The family was stunned. After all, Eleanor's family had paid 20 cents a week until this policy was paid in full.
But those were the good old days.
Eleanor Fitkin's mother bought this life insurance policy for her daughter when she was just 9 years old. It was 1934. Money was tight.
My dad worked as a coal miner in the coal mines, and they didn't get that much money.
Eleanor remembers the day her mother handed over this piece of paper and told her to take care of it.
She gave that to me, really. When I got married, she said, well, here, this belongs to you, and that was it.
Eleanor kept the policy in pristine condition, even as her condition worsened. At 94 years old, Eleanor now needs the $1,200 policy to help pay for nursing care. When her family called MetLife, they were told the policy no longer exists.
Why, I was shocked. I didn't know what to think.
Her son Bob has taken up the fight.
Were you stunned when they said, sorry, we don't have it?
Not only stunned, but I guess I felt like a company that big would be able to keep better records.
Bob tells me he got the runaround and was eventually told the policy was cashed out and the money was sent to the state of California, where Eleanor used to live, to the unclaimed property division. But the money doesn't show up in California records either.
I ran out of, ways to go. That's why I decided to call you, because I didn't know what else to do.
And she needs the money.
I called MetLife and was told they'll look into it. Eleanor hopes they straighten this out soon.
With everything that me being in the hospital and everything, I'd rather have it if it belongs to me. If it doesn't belong to them, they shouldn't have it.
A spokeswoman for MetLife called me back to say that she will find out what happened to Eleanor's policy and how she can get the money back. We're also reaching out to California officials to find out how she can get the money from them.
Kind of like Florida has the unclaimed property. You think it would be there. Did MetLife ever call and try to get in touch with her before they sent it off to California?
We don't know that. It's unclear. I asked her if she found out, if she heard anything from them, and she said that she doesn't recall that. She does have a second MetLife policy that she bought as an adult, and that policy is still in good standing. So they were able to contact her about that one, but not this one.
Still, it's from her mom. I mean, it has so much value beyond just the $1,200.
Yes, it's sentimental value. Like I said, she remembers the day Mom said, here you go.
And she has the record of it. So I'll look forward to the follow-up on that one. Thank you, Shannon.
Thank you, Shannon. If you have a problem